Now I'm going to bring you into the primary bedroom area. There's a lot of storage, ample storage. Ta-da! This is the amazing primary bedroom. So much space with a beautiful bathroom, and a hot tub. A hot tub jacuzzi is right here in the primary bedroom, bathroom, and after a long, hard day's work, the parents can relax with a glass of champagne in the hot tub. And this walk-in closet is amazing. It's huge. And as you see, the shelf space, all the cabinets, the cabinetry is in very, very good shape.